In this video, I'm going to show you how to find low competition keywords that actually convert. So what you want to do is go into the SEMrush and here go into the keyword magic tool. Now, once you're inside the keyword magic tool, so let's just say I want to rank for AI SEO writer. So let's just type here AI SEO writer and select the country. I'm just going to put it in a world, United States. Click on search. And here you will get a broad match. So first thing first, what I want to do is go and get the highest volume keyword, which is going to be the 260 volume with a SEO AI writer. So click on this and it's just going to take you to the keyword overview. So it takes the individual keyword and creates an analysis. Now here we have something called questions. Now if I open the questions, click on view all 9 keywords. Now these all can be used as long tail keywords. Now here you can see we have got this 9 things. Now what I'm going to do is go here and copy this entire thing and individually make this as a title of the blog article and write content for it and internal link with each other. Now once you're done that, go back and do it for all these things. And then we have got the keyword difficulty, which is 18. You do all of this. Now, in order to speed up this process, we're going to use AI SEO writers like Arwow AI SEO writing tool, and we're going to automate it. So if you don't know how to automate, there will be a link in the description, book a call with me. I'm just going to teach you. So this is how we do it.